Look what's back. So my first attempt at using this wonderful dragon mold, I did not like the results at all from using the alcohol inks that were supposedly red that turned orange. So this time I'm doing the exact same thing again, minus the alcohol inks. But I had a few challenges along the way. I was taking my sweet time, way too much time, getting those bubbles out, which, in the end didn't really work so much. And I was just, I don't know what I was doing, daydreaming and mixing, listening to podcasts and music, and the time was escaping. So it took, as you saw, just 16 minutes to get the bubbles out, but then it was taking, time to mix up my white, time to mix up the pretentious, which I haven't even done yet, and then to get down to making the bloom. But wait till you see the end results. So with that, this is going to be pretty self-explanatory, and I'm just going to sit back, and I'm going to let you all sit back, put a little music on, and show you how this unfolds.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. I would fight if I could. If I believed I should. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Here we go. So I had a bubble come up here. Figures. Ooh, it's still quite toasty on the bottom. Let's see what happened with this one. Again, gonna be careful with the horns. Try at any rate. Loosen, 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 wiggle, wiggle. There. Woohoo. Looking good. All right, let's see. I'm so curious. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my God, it worked out so well. So well. I'm excited. This one is great. And I was gonna ditch it. Okay, so I'm really glad because this didn't bloom a lot. This was why I was thinking I was gonna ditch it. I'm super glad that I put that black on it because it fills in those areas. And this turned out gorgeous. It really turned out really well. And look at that shine from that TLP Pretentious. I'm so glad I stuck with it. Yay, and look how awesome this dragon is. Oops, sorry for the lights. So there's a couple areas. It looks like I didn't quite get the resin to go all the way into the tips. And you can see there's the black there. Even though thought I was being so careful. But what I'll do is I will just take my Let's Resin chrome marker, and it's an easy fix. Like here's an area. How did that not happen? And you just cover up those black spots with the silver and you'll never know. So I've just got a few areas to do. But all in all, I am a happy camper here. Like super happy. I was worried about this little dude last night. Yay! Woohoo! Let's do the dance. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I will, of course, show you what this looks like outside. I'll be back.